Okay guys, we've got some major news today. Kling 3 is officially on its way, and it's going to be dropping on Higgsfield AI before you know it. This is going to be huge. We all know how impressive Kling 2.6 has been, but based on the early looks online, Kling 3 is looking like a total game changer. Now, don't get me wrong, 2.6 is already phenomenal. It's actually my go-to tool for video generation. Every single shot you see on your screen right now was created with version 2.6. This is exactly why I'm so hyped to see what this next generation brings to the table. Alright, let's dive into what we know so far, or at least what we're expecting from this next-gen model. I actually grabbed this info straight from the Higgsfield blog. I've linked the full article in the description below so you can go through it yourself. First off, and this is a total game changer, we're finally getting 4K quality with much higher frame rates. Currently, 1080p is pretty much the industry standard, not just for Kling, but for almost every major AI video tool out there. If Kling can actually deliver on this, it's going to be a complete game changer. I'm honestly so hyped for this update. It's going to make your visuals look incredibly sharp and clear, giving you the power to really push your creativity to the next level. Next up, we have Inpainting and AI video editing. Just like Kling 1, you'll be able to edit your videos and use Inpainting to make specific changes to your footage. This is going to be very helpful for adding special effects, editing characters, or modifying scenes exactly how you want. And when you combine this with 4K quality and better frame rates, the results will look amazing. Now, let's move on to a major update: improved physics and character interactions. Look, we all know that as good as Kling 2.6 is, characters can still feel a little stiff or robotic at times. Kling 3 is set to change that. If they deliver on this promise, your scenes will look way more fluid and natural, giving them a more human feel rather than that AI-generated look. I'm actually already impressed with the physics in 2.6, but an even bigger upgrade means we can pull off much more complex, realistic movements, especially for those high-end VFX shots. This is definitely something to get excited about. And last but definitely not least, get ready for this, we're looking at video generation lengths of up to 60 seconds. Honestly, if this is legit, it's going to completely disrupt the industry. Think about it, you'll be able to create entire continuous sequences without those annoying cuts every few seconds. It gives you the freedom to tell your story in a way that's much more fluid and cinematic. This is the definition of a game changer, and I've got my fingers crossed that this feature drops exactly as promised. I've got some extra insider info on the Kling 3 model for you guys. I came across a Reddit post that breaks down the previews for Kling 3. I've linked it below if you want to take a deeper look. First off, the audio quality is getting a major boost compared to 2.6. But check this out, they're introducing director memory, which is going to be a lifesaver for keeping your characters and scenes consistent. Then there's the Storyboard feature, which lets you generate a whole sequence from just one prompt. How crazy is that? But honestly, the highlight for me is the improved motion control. We've all seen Kling 2.6 breaking the internet lately, but 3 is about to take that to a whole new level. These are definitely the big upgrades to watch out for. Now, Kling 3 isn't officially out yet, but if you want to start using Kling 2.6 for free right now, here's what you do. Head over to Higgsfield AI and navigate to the video section. From there, select Kling 2.6. Next, simply upload your image and type in your animation prompt. You'll notice I've already got the 2.6 model selected here. We'll set the duration to 10 seconds, keep the aspect ratio on auto, and hit that generate button. And just like that, the AI starts working its magic. Check this out. It only took a few seconds for the video to finish. Let's hit play and see how it turned out. Look at that. The animation is incredibly smooth and has a total cinematic vibe to it. It completely nailed the world I had in mind for my story. Honestly, if Kling 2.6 is already delivering this level of accuracy, just imagine how mind-blowing Kling 3 is going to be. It's going to be on a whole new level. Wait, check this out. While I was recording this for you, I actually saw that Kling 3 just dropped on Higgsfield AI. Now, I haven't gotten my hands on it just yet, but here's the exciting part. Kling 3 is going to be completely free to use on Higgsfield with daily credits. Honestly, that's what I love about this platform. They give you access to industry-leading models that are usually paid. Even with a daily limit, it's hands down the best place to test drive premium AI tools for free every single day. Think about the possibilities. You can create sleek motion graphics in an infographic style, or add custom text animations to your videos with just a simple prompt. You can even take static posters and transform them into stunning, eye-catching motion visuals. Whether you're building and animating presentations or want to create something unique from scratch, this tool gives you full creative control. Basically, Higgsfield is your ultimate all-in-one AI powerhouse for content creators, business owners, and filmmakers. It brings everything under one roof. We're talking image generators, video tools, UGC creators, AI influencers, and even talking avatars. And here's the kicker: if you upgrade to the Ultimate or Creator plan, you get unlimited access to industry-leading models like Nano Banana Pro, Kling 3, Sora 2, and Veo 3.1. I've linked it in the description below, so make sure you go check it out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.